Hello, fellow crafters. Welcome back. All right, we're gonna do another Valentine heart. I love this one. The last one with the pages is a little time consuming, but super cute. But this one is super quick. And just like my videos, I really like for things to move quickly. Okay, we don't have a whole lot of time. All right, so let's go ahead and get started here. What I got from the Dollar Tree is these foam hearts. Okay, so you can use one or two, however thick you want it. I just used one in the video. And then Dollar Tree, cotton balls. And then at our local Goodwill, you can find such cool material there. Definitely check it out if you're looking for something a little special. So I found these placemats and I absolutely love these. I'm not gonna use that detail right there, but you can tell that somebody did that and it's kind of sweet. So I might save that for something else. So anyway, just any fabric that you have, and there'll be a few other things that we need, but you probably already have them on hand. So let's get started. Let's get to crafting. Okay, so I cut my hearts out because you're going to need 2 pieces of fabric cut into the heart. So I made them a little bit bigger than those foam hearts. And then what I did is I just took cotton balls because my objective was to keep the heart, because it's going to be hanging. I wanted it to be somewhat flat, but then I still wanted it to have a little bit of poofiness. So it's not quite like a pillow, but you could certainly stuff it like a pillow if you would prefer that look. So what I did was I just kind of pulled apart the cotton balls, and then I hot glued them on the foam heart. Once I did that, then I just went ahead and hot glued the 2 pieces of material to where the foam and the cotton balls were in the center. So once that's all done, I thought, you know what, I want to add a stamp. So what I would do is I would actually add the stamp first before you have it puffy. It still turned out, but just so you know, it might be easier to just do it on one little piece of fabric. So I went ahead and stamped it. And then I thought, well, I still want it to look a little bit more vintage. So I took my trusty shoe polish that you know I like, and I kind of went along the edges, and I kind of frayed the edges a little as well, as you can see. Now for the embellishment, I just used cheesecloth and some ribbon that I got at the Dollar Tree to make that mountain chic bow. I used ribbon for the hanger, and that was it. Another simple project that is super cute. I hope you liked it. I hope you try it. Until next time, bye.